yeast infections are very common among women. In fact, most of us will have one at least once in our lives. Luckily, there are many pharmaceutical and natural yeast infection cures that work fast and can even prevent future yeast infections from occurring.
Yeast infections are caused by an abnormal amount of a fungus called Candida albicans in the vagina. Yeast infections, which are also known as thrush, happen when something disrupts the normal pH balance in the vagina and causes the Candida to spread and multiply.
If you have a yeast infection, you are likely to experience itching, burning, redness and/or swelling. Yeast infections are also normally accompanied by a yogurt-like discharge that smells like yeast. Yeast infections are not considered an STD, but you can pass it on to your partner through unprotected sex, and they should also be treated. Causes of thrush include tight clothing or synthetic clothing, pregnancy, wet swimwear, antibiotics, your monthly period and a weakened immune system.
There are many yeast infection cures that will bring immediate and long-lasting relief and restore the normal pH balance. Some of these cures are natural and others are pharmaceutical.
There are several pharmaceutical products that your chemist can offer to cure thrush. You will be able to choose between creams, pessaries and an oral tablet. The oral tablet has an active ingredient called fluconazole. This kills off the fungus that is causing the yeast infection. Creams and pessaries are used inside the vagina and also help to kill the fungus, and common ingredients are clotrimazole, nystatin, mycostatin and meconazole.
If you have any medical conditions, or you are pregnant, you should tell your pharmacist about this because some medications may not be right for you. If your yeast infection is recurring, you should visit your doctor as some health problems can cause thrush-like symptoms.
If you would like to try a natural yeast infection cure before turning to pharmaceutical cures, there are a couple of available and effective options. Natural yogurt that is rich in acidophilus can be very effective at treating thrush. The best way to use it is to soak a tampon in natural yogurt and insert it for a few hours. The acidophilus can't kill the candida and help restore the pH balance. The yogurt itself is also very soothing. Alternatively, acidophilus capsules or powder can be bought from health food stores or pharmacies and may also be used internally or taken orally for great effect. These capsules can also help to prevent yeast infections.
There are several yeast infection cures, both natural and pharmaceutical, that are very effective and fast-acting. Once you begin to notice the symptoms of thrush starting, try one of the yeast infection cures quickly to avoid it becoming any worse. Most treatments will offer you some immediate relief as well as getting rid of the candida that is causing the infection and the symptoms.